Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are talking about a problem where Islamic banks and clients has this problem, and always we are trying to get solution for all our problems. Most of our clients, they need cash facility, and conventional banks, they are providing cash loan like personal finance, and they are charging interest. Now, if our client need any facility, what is the solution? On what base we can help him? Just go for a real case. It's the month of Ramadan and Eid is coming. According to UAE rules, owner of the company is to pay all salaries before Eid. Now he need 1 million dirham to pay salaries to his employees. But in same time, he is in some financial crisis and he is unable to arrange 1 million to pay salaries. According to UAE rules, all wage is protected by central bank. May it is a private company or LLC or public joint stock company or a labor company, whatever company is. But here is Wage Protection System, WPC. Under Wage Protection System, you are required to transfer all the amount of your salaries of this month to central bank, and through central bank it will be distributed to different exchange companies and banks. Exchange companies and banks issuing like a debit card only just to get cash from ATM. So at the end of the month, all laborers, all people are going to any of the ATM machine or any exchange company and they can get their salary in time. This person has to pay salaries, but he has no money. Now he requested us to provide 1 million facility, and he will return back after 3 months, 2 months or 1 month for short time or some months. In our Islamic banks, we have problems. For example, I cannot help this person in free because fund with me or deposits with me in Islamic banks are for shareholders and depositors. They keep this deposit under wakala or mudaraba or musharaka. So the fund with me is fund of mudaraba, fund of wakala, or fund of musharaka. In other words, we can say musharaka pool, mudaraba pool, wakala pool, and as a fund manager or wakil or mudarib or sharik partner, I cannot use this fund to help other people in free. I cannot use this fund to distribute in charities. I cannot distribute this fund to provide qard hasan to other people, because in wakala the principal or the muwakkil, in mudaraba the fund provider, in musharaka my partner give me this fund to make profit, to invest this fund in Sharia compliant product. So, if I help these people and I give him as help or qard hasan without charging anything, without making any profit, so it's not allowed for me because I cannot use other people fund in these areas. They did not allow me. But if I charge anything extra, then any surplus, any extra amount on cash against time, it consider riba, interest. So I cannot go for this area. Then what is the solution? Because I need to help this person. If I will not help, then he will approach conventional banks. Then he will close account with me and he will go to conventional bank. Conventional bank will help him. Conventional bank will provide him loan, because now he is in a very critical situation. Then I will be the reason involving him in riba. I will be the reason sending him to conventional bank. I will be the reason closing his account, closing his all books with Islamic banks. But Sharia always giving us solutions and alternatives. Sharia do not allow me to send people or make people involved in interest or riba business. Now what is the solution? We have one product and we name it commodity murabaha. If you go back, I explained before that murabaha is murabaha. Just one murabaha. But we name it like auto murabaha, goods murabaha, and commodity murabaha. And currently we are doing these three types of murabaha. In auto murabaha, we are selling only cars, trucks, trailers, buses. In goods murabaha, we are selling machinery, furniture, office equipments, etc. In commodity murabaha, we are selling commodities like aluminum, iron, sugar, palladium, copper, etc. So, just come to practical steps in commodity murabaha.